Well, good morning, losers and morons. Since I'm a dumb guy and I'm a conspiracy theory, maybe people can answer me 3 questions. And here's the first one. Can you give me a politician who tells the truth? Fuck, that's a Jeopardy question, eh? They have to be kicked out of their party to tell the truth? And people, yeah. That's fucking pretty ingenious. Question 2. Who pays your media? Well, the federal government does. So if you don't trust a politician and they pay your media, what makes you believe them? Now, here's a question that no politician wants to answer, and none of your media. They run away from this question. Where did the one from the UK come from? Where did the one from Brazil come from? Where did the one from India come from? And where did the new variant come from? So as I'm a dumb fuck because I smoke weed, can you answer those 3 questions? You cannot. They have people knocking on your doors today asking if you had the shot. They knocked on every door in my building where I live and said, we don't have you on the list of taking your needle. Well, that's because they don't have anyone on the list. They're just going door to door trying to figure out who anybody is. So, of course, I gave them no answers. So when they knock on my door again, they're going to go, sir, we don't have this address on here, and we are going to the government. Does it look like I give a fuck who you go to? We will put you in isolation camps and we will isolate you. You are doing no such thing to a human being like me or my son. You all have fucking imaginations out here. So to all you people out here who are calling me the problem, maybe you could give me the solution of those 3 questions, which you are not going to be able to do. I don't care who you are, from Max Bernier to whoever you want to mention, who was kicked out of his party and created his own, just like Randy Hilliard and all the rest. But me, as a true activist, and we don't have anybody asking any questions to the media, from any of the media, where did it come from?